Hey guys, Max here, and what if I told you that the biggest shift in human history is happening right now, quietly reshaping every single aspect of your daily life? It's called the AI revolution, and today I'm going to break down exactly what it is, why it matters, and how it affects you, in a way that's super clear and easy to understand. First things first, what exactly is artificial intelligence anyway? When you think of AI, you probably picture futuristic robots or sci-fi movies, but here's the shocking truth. AI isn't the future. It's already here. And it's not just robots and self-driving cars. Right now, AI is in your phone, your TV, even in your kitchen appliances. Ever wondered how Netflix always seems to know exactly what you want to watch? Or how your GPS finds the quickest way home every time? Yep, that's AI working behind the scenes. But how exactly is this even possible? Here's the thing. AI is simply software trained to mimic human intelligence. These systems learn from massive amounts of data and make predictions or decisions based on patterns they identify. The more data they process, the smarter they get. And that's where things get really fascinating. What happens when AI becomes smarter than humans? This idea is called artificial superintelligence, and it might sound scary, but stick with me here. Imagine an AI system so intelligent it can solve humanity's toughest problems effortlessly, like finding cures for diseases, eliminating poverty, or tackling climate change. Sounds incredible, right? But what if instead of solving these issues, AI creates new ones? I'll dive deeper into those risks shortly, but before that, let's take a quick look at how AI is already transforming everyday life. Ever used Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant? These virtual assistants are powered by natural language processing, an advanced form of AI that allows them to understand and respond to your requests naturally. But that's just scratching the surface. AI also powers your social media feeds, deciding which posts you see based on your interests, habits, and past behaviors. It shapes your shopping recommendations, adjusts traffic lights to reduce congestion, and even detects fraud in your bank accounts. In fact, there's almost nothing AI isn't starting to influence. But here's a critical question. If AI is already everywhere, why aren't we all living like the Jetsons yet? The answer lies in something called narrow AI versus general AI. Narrow AI means it's great at performing one specific task, like recognizing faces or translating languages. But it can't learn new skills on its own. General AI, on the other hand, would have human-like reasoning, creativity, and understanding. It's the kind of AI you'd see in movies, able to think, learn, and adapt like we do. But how close are we really to achieving that kind of AI? I'll answer that shortly, but first, let's explore how AI impacts jobs, because this is something everyone is worried about. Here's the big concern. Will AI eventually take away your job? The honest answer, yes and no. Yes, some routine tasks like data entry, repetitive manufacturing, or basic customer support are becoming automated. But here's the twist. AI also creates entirely new types of jobs. Who would have guessed a decade ago that AI prompt engineer would even be a thing? So while AI might change your career, it also opens doors to brand new opportunities. But how exactly can you make sure AI doesn't leave you behind? I'll reveal exactly how to future-proof your career in just a minute. Before we dive into that, let's look at something else. AI's surprising role in healthcare. Did you know doctors are already using AI to diagnose diseases faster and more accurately than ever before? AI algorithms can analyze medical scans in seconds, spotting signs of cancer, heart disease, or stroke far earlier than traditional methods. The implications are mind-blowing. AI is literally saving lives every single day. But can we trust AI completely with something as critical as our health? That's where the ethical side of AI comes into play. As AI becomes more advanced, it raises some tough questions. Who's responsible if an AI system makes a mistake? How do we protect privacy when AI analyzes everything we do online? And most importantly, how do we prevent AI from amplifying biases and discrimination that already exist in our society? These aren't simple questions, but they're ones we absolutely must address to ensure AI benefits everyone fairly. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground here, but let's circle back to that question I posed earlier. How close are we to achieving truly intelligent general AI, the kind that thinks like a human? Some experts believe we're decades away, while others think it could happen much sooner. Regardless of when, it's clear that once we reach that milestone, life as we know it will never be the same again. But is that a good thing or something we should fear? The truth might surprise you, and I'm about to reveal it. But first, remember earlier when I mentioned the risk that AI could create new problems rather than solving existing ones? What exactly are those risks? And more importantly, how can we prevent them? Let's unpack that quickly. One of the biggest concerns is what's known as the alignment problem, ensuring AI systems share our human values and goals. Imagine telling a super intelligent AI to make everyone happy. Sounds great, right? But what if the AI takes shortcuts we never anticipated, like artificially stimulating our brains or isolating us from reality to fulfill that directive? Sounds disturbing, doesn't it? So how do we ensure AI stays aligned with our values and truly benefits humanity? The key lies in how we design, build, and regulate AI from the very beginning. And here's something crucial. It involves people like you. Yes, even if you don't work directly with technology, your voice matters in shaping how AI evolves and impacts society. But what exactly can you do about it right now? What specific steps can you take today to understand, adapt, and thrive in the age of AI? I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, so you'll be prepared for this incredible revolution, unfolding right before our eyes. The AI revolution is real, it's happening right now, and the opportunities are huge. So, are you ready to not just witness, but actively shape the future powered by artificial intelligence? Let's dive in deeper because trust me, this is just the beginning. If you're wondering what practical steps you can take right now to navigate the AI revolution, here's where it gets really interesting. First, educate yourself on AI basics. You don't need to become a computer scientist overnight, but understanding core concepts like machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks can give you a huge advantage. Thankfully, there are endless free resources online, from YouTube tutorials to beginner-friendly courses on Coursera or Udemy. Next, explore how AI specifically applies to your industry or career. Are you in marketing? Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can streamline your copywriting and content creation processes. In finance, AI-driven analytics can help identify trends or risks instantly. Healthcare professional? Learning how AI assists in diagnostics could keep you ahead of the curve. Whatever your field, recognizing AI's potential role is critical. But here's the exciting part. What if you could leverage AI not just to keep up, but to thrive? That brings us to our third step, experimentation. Start playing around with accessible AI tools that relate directly to your work or personal projects. Platforms like Midjourney for visuals, Grammarly for writing, or even Notion's AI assistant can instantly boost productivity and creativity. Hands-on experience is unbeatable for mastering new technology. Now let's tackle a vital question that everyone secretly wonders about. How much does all of this actually cost? The surprising answer is it's often much less than you'd expect. Many powerful AI tools offer free plans or affordable monthly subscriptions, making them accessible to almost anyone. So, budget constraints shouldn't stop you from experimenting and innovating. But even if you master AI tools, is your job truly safe from automation? Here's the twist. AI might automate tasks, but it can't replace uniquely human skills like emotional intelligence, creativity, empathy, or critical thinking. The jobs of tomorrow won't vanish. They'll evolve. So rather than fearing AI, focus on developing these human-centered skills, which AI can't replicate. Speaking of evolution, let's address another critical aspect, privacy. With AI analyzing our online habits more than ever, how can you protect your personal information? Thankfully, there's a straightforward solution: proactively managing your data privacy settings on platforms and devices. Limit unnecessary data sharing, regularly check privacy preferences, and stay informed about how your data is used. Simple steps like these go a long way in safeguarding your digital life. Now, let's talk about regulation. Because as powerful as AI is, it needs boundaries. Governments and organizations are racing to create ethical guidelines ensuring AI benefits everyone equally and responsibly. So, stay updated on these developments, advocate for responsible use, and don't hesitate to voice concerns if something feels off. Remember, AI is shaping your future. Your input matters more than ever. But here's a surprising prediction. In the coming years, the most successful people won't necessarily be the tech experts. They'll be those who seamlessly blend human creativity with AI efficiency. The question is, are you ready to become one of them? And how exactly do you do that? Start by viewing AI as your partner, not your competitor. AI excels at tasks we find repetitive or tedious, freeing up your mental energy for innovative, strategic thinking. Use AI tools to handle mundane tasks, then focus your newfound time on creative problem-solving, strategic planning, or simply connecting with others. This combination of AI efficiency and human insight creates an unbeatable edge. Imagine a future where your creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking are magnified by AI, empowering you to achieve more than you ever thought possible. This isn't a distant fantasy. It's achievable right now, and it's simpler than you think. So, as we wrap things up, here's your game plan. Educate yourself on AI fundamentals, experiment with tools relevant to your field, sharpen uniquely human skills, protect your privacy, and actively engage in conversations about ethical AI use. Follow these steps, and you'll not only survive the AI revolution, you'll thrive. Before we finish, I want you to consider this. The AI revolution isn't something happening out there. It's happening to you, around you, and with you. Your choices today shape tomorrow's world. So, how will you harness AI to build the future you want? If you found this video helpful and want more clear, simple breakdowns of complex topics, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'd also love to hear from you. How do you feel about AI? Excited, cautious, curious? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to embracing the incredible potential of the AI revolution.